Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Wix bookings in 2026. Running a service business, Wix booking lets clients book you 24/7. And to do that, you're just gonna have to follow these few simple steps. The first thing you wanna do is to add Wix bookings. You're gonna go to the Wix dashboard here. Make sure to log in with your Google account or your Wix account by going to manage.wix.com. And here in the dashboard, you're going to scroll all the way down in the left side section until you see the apps. Click on apps, then click on apps market, and you're going to search for Wix bookings. Let's search for the Wix bookings. Search for bookings. You're going to type in bookings in the search bar. Once you find the website, you're going to find Wix bookings. Click on it. After that, you're going to add the app. Click on add to site and then finish adding it to site. You have to have a Wix site to be able to do that. Once it finishes adding, click on design site and then you're gonna open and set up services. You're gonna open bookings.com and then you're gonna make sure to log in with your account. After that, you're gonna click on services and add a service. For example, you can add a one-on-one, a group class, or an online session and set the duration and the price. Also, make sure to set the availability. You can do that by going to price right here. And then you're going to set the working hours and then choose the booking limits. After that, you're going to customize the booking page. You can edit the booking form, add a custom questions, and enable confirmation. As you can see here, you can generate by AI, generate a design, and you can pick a template, an already existing template. And click on the continue with the setup for now. Then you're going to publish your site once you finish editing and test the booking process. You can set the correct time zone and block personal time and also enable email notifications. And that's how you set up Wix bookings in 2026. This was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.